Hello and welcome. My name is Ryan Compton, Director and Founder of Access Mediation Services, back with another video. Today we're talking about what is Child Inclusive Mediation. Child Inclusive Mediation is where a specially accredited family mediator meets with a child one-to-one. Now, it's quite a detailed process. Let's walk through it step by step. A family mediator would have already met those with parental responsibility, so perhaps mum or dad, or perhaps a grandparent has parental responsibility. They would have had their MIAMs, which is the initial meeting that takes place prior to a mediation, and then the parents would have attended mediation. This is in an effort for the parents to resolve their differences relating to the children before the child is invited. It would take the consent of both parents for the mediator to reach out in an age-appropriate way to the child. The child is then invited to the Child Inclusive Mediation process, and if the child wishes to engage in the process, they'll let that carer or that special guardian or that person in their life that is caring for them know that they're interested in the process. Assuming they are, mum or dad, for example, will reach back out to the mediator and let them know that they wish to engage. Assuming they do, we'll arrange a time or a place, perhaps it's through the school or at the mediator's office or online, where the child can speak with a mediator. Now, we're already aware that children sometimes are caught in the midst of differences between parents, often as a result of a separation or in the process of separating or divorce. It's a difficult time. We understand that, we respect that, and we navigate that best we can to support the child. Now, we can't make any promises that the child is going to open up, but we do make a promise, which is to respect the confidentiality of the child. The child may wish to disclose items in the mediation that they want us to share with mum or dad. However, if a child discloses some information that they don't want us to share with the parents, then we won't share that information. The only times that we'll make an exception to this is if there's a risk of harm, safeguarding, or it's disclosed that there's a level of criminal activity. Outside of this, what they say they're in control of. Now, mediators that provide child inclusive mediation don't produce reports. So we can provide the feedback in the next mediation session with the parents as to what the child said back to the parents, but it stops there. We don't produce a report. It's then up to the parents to decide what they want to do with the information they've been provided. Hence, you may continue mediation to formalise and document agreements. Now, that's quite a complex process. You likely have many questions, and you might be apprehensive at the thought of your child entering into the child inclusive mediation process. If you have questions, feel free to give us a call or to book a free consultation where we can explore this in more detail. Thank you.